Alankara prasam here. So we are all sinking in the suffering, Bhavasagaram, but presently what is the ocean? I am sinking and the people of Ayodhya are sinking. Rama Shokham, the separation of Rama. How is that? If you have an ocean, first thing what you have? Waves. Rama Shoka Mahavegaha. The waves I see in the ocean are similar to the waves of separation. And what is the only solution? The only solution is to make sure that we are united. Sita Viraha Paragaha Swasitormi Urmi Mahavarto Urmi. And then if you have waves, what you have in the waves? You have these bubbles. Urmi. Urmi mane water. Urmi Mahavarto Bashpa Pelana Jala Viva. But then people are all crying. The cry is more or less similar to the muddy water on the ocean. Bashpa Pelana Jala Vila. Avila mane mixed with sand. Dirty. Bahu Vikshepami Naugo. People are all said, Hey Krishna, Hey Damodara. People are lifting their hand. That is as if I see the fishes coming out of water, jumping in the water. Likewise, we are all taking refuge, putting our hands up.